Good evening. This is now the latest tropical weather analysis for this Saturday to Monday, December 3 to 5, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph sat for today, Saturday until Monday. We have the prevailing easterlies returning across the Philippine Islands, affecting Batanes, Babuyan Islands, the coastal waters of Eastern Luzon, Bicol Region, Calabarzon, Metro Manila, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Calamian Group, and the Visayas. So these areas will have winds from the east, light to moderate, with some chances of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. And we don't have any tropical low pressure systems developing outside of PAR. It's all clear. We have a near equatorial trough to the south of Palau and Yap, bringing some thunderstorms across these areas. We have developing frontal system over at Okinawa, a stationary front moving towards the east-northeast. So far, that's the latest from our graph sat. Here's the fast animation. It's all clear. Here's the near equatorial trough. Nothing in sight when it comes to low pressure systems. Zoom in satellite animation for this evening. Until the early morning of Sunday, we could see some developing thunderstorms across eastern sections of northern Quezon, and along the northern and eastern sections of Samar, and also over the eastern sections of Mindanao. As for the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, it's all easterlies, bringing some rain showers and thunderstorms across the eastern sections of Luzon, from extreme northern Luzon down to the eastern sections of the Bicol region, becoming frequent over northern Quezon and Polillo Islands. Also across the eastern sections of eastern Visayas, from eastern Samar down to eastern Leyte, and also over at the eastern portions of Caraga, along the eastern portions of Surigao provinces. So far, that's the latest from the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days. And if we take a look at the wind forecast until Tuesday, by tomorrow afternoon, Sunday, the easterlies will prevail across the Philippine Islands. We have another surge of the northeast monsoon across Taiwan Strait and the northern portions of the West Philippine Sea, South China Sea area, and also affecting Taiwan. And on Monday afternoon, the northeast monsoon will start to strengthen, affecting the coastal waters of the eastern Vietnam, and also the northern coastal waters of Ilocos Norte, and the western sections or western coastal waters of Ilocos provinces as well, Batanes, and the western sections of Babuyan. There will be some surge of the northeast monsoon. Elsewhere, we have winds blowing from the east to northeast across Luzon, Visayas. Tuesday afternoon, easterlies will prevail over the whole of the archipelago, while the northeast monsoon can be seen here, affecting the northernmost islands of Luzon, Batanes, Babuyan Group, and the northern as well as the northern coastal waters of Ilocos provinces. Okay, so far that's the latest for this weekend through Monday, December 5. And we will return next week to give you more updates on the weather. This is Mike Padua saying good night. Have a great weekend, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching our channel.